Almost every person is born with a gift inside. For some, the gift is quiet and subtle, for others, it's powerful and obvious. But the real question is, what do we do with it? As life goes on, we either develop that gift and give it energy, attention, and space, or we let it stay somewhere deep inside, barely alive. I've always been inspired by people who build their lives around that inner gift. For example, actors who transform emotions into characters, or comedians who turn life's observation into laughter, musicians who create melodies from their inner world, and of course artists who see images where others see only a blank page. From the outside, it might look effortless, but in reality, this kind of work is incredibly fragile. There's professions built mainly on learned skills, such as law, medicine, or say engineering. Creative work depends on that inner source. One day an idea arrives, the next day it might not. One day there's a flow, the next day there's a silence. And that's why many people who live through their gift also carry a quiet fear that one day the source could disappear. Because I believe talent is both powerful and fragile. This is why I believe we should treat people who nourish the world with their talent with appreciation and respect. In my art groups and workshops, I focus on helping people reconnect with their own inner source. Through intuitive drawing and self-healing art, people rediscover something many of them forgot they had their own creative energy. This is not about learning how to draw perfectly. It's about reconnecting with your inner voice. Sometimes all it takes is one blank sheet of paper and one simple line, and a person suddenly feels there is something alive inside me that wasn't to be expressed yet. So, take a blank sheet of paper and a thick marker. Start drawing simple lines, shapes, and forms. Let your hand move freely, almost like it's dancing on the paper. Don't think about the result. Don't try to control it at all. Just follow the movement. Let it be slow and meditative. When you are done, you might start to see something in these lines, like a character or face, maybe a landscape, or maybe you won't see anything at all. And that's perfectly fine. You can simply color the shapes and enjoy the moment. And please like this video because this is a good one.